Oh, right. Okay, Macy. I left at the end of October, so there was a solid 6-7 weeks there where I was in there at least once a day. I had to go in there to tell Connor and Bodie to quit talking and playing cookies. Oh, that's right. Okay, so we're recording, so I should get going. So this is 9.3. And this is folks that are currently in here. I think Macy heard the deal with what's going on. They're polluting the audio. I think that was. Yeah, headphones would be really nice, actually. So quadratic inequalities with two variables. I'm speaking my truth right now, guys. I would really appreciate the grade 12s to be wearing headphones. I don't know who's got the audio. Thank you. Right on. Thanks, guys. Okay. So quadratic inequalities with two variables, okay? So last class we looked at it and we were just graphing with them. There was no, well, there were so many variables. Today what we're going to do is when you do it this way, you're going to be drawing the quadratic and it's going to be more like the traditional linear ones that we did where it's going to be dotted or solid lines and you're going to be shading. Okay? But it's pretty straightforward. I don't think we'll have a lot of issues with it. So I'm just going to dive into some examples again. I think it's the easiest way to do this stuff. So, for example, y is less than -2 x minus 3 squared plus x. Okay, so
is it plus x or plus 1?
Oh, sorry, plus 1. Did I say plus x?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awkward. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to graph it. So I know my vertex. Is that positive 3 and 1, right?
Oh, yeah. Wait, how do you
Your P and Q values, right? It's in vertex graphing form. Yeah, but that doesn't matter. Say that again. Well, there is when you're solving for stuff, and we're not solving for anything just yet.
How come 3 has like underscore? You just put
I literally just put the dash there. Yeah. Okay. Which way does the graph open? Just like how you did that. Thank you, Levi. Yes, get open downwards.
How did you know that? Because your A value is
Negative.
I forgot that was good.
Right. You guys remember vertex graphing form, right? Oh.
Not really. Maybe like a little bit.
Y equals A, X minus P squared plus Q. Right? P and Q are your vertex. Your A value is still your A value. Okay? Yeah. Oh, Jade, in your math, please. Thank you. So, if you want, you can plot a few more points. Like we could get the y-intercept too.
Yeah, how do you solve for that?
Like, you want the y-intercept?
Or I don't know. I don't know how to do anything.
Well, this is all this graph, all this equation will tell you. It gives me the vertex. Okay? So, if you want the y-intercept, all you do is x equals 0, right? You plug that in. So this is -2 times -3 squared plus 1. What happens when you square a negative number? It becomes, ow! So this is going to be -17. So my y-intercept is that. So there, I got a couple points on my graph. I can sketch it. So first one's at 3 and 1. And down here at 0 and -17. Oh, I messed up. Now, the reason I know I messed up, the sign here on my inequality is greater than or less than, right? There's no line underneath. So when that happens, what kind of line do you draw? Dotted. Very good.
How do I remember?
Whoa!
Oh, shit. My janky parabola pulls up so jank.
I don't want this. No. Oh, no. All right. Oh.
What's your favorite news of 2021?
What's less fun?
All right. So, it's a dotted line. Now, do we shade inside the parabola or outside the parabola? Well, you're just guessing, right? Okay. We got to figure out, we have to determine if we shade inside this parabola or outside of it. So you just do the check like we used to.
I'm just trying to figure out when your equation is there.
That's what we did last day in 9.2. Today we're actually going to shade, we're going to show that area.
We're going to apply what we've learned.
Yes.
Yeah, I still don't understand what it is.
I know, Sierra.
No, literally, I understand how to do all the work, but I can't say which part.
I know. You struggle.
So,
It's good to see you coming back that you haven't changed. Every day's stupid.
Personal growth.
It's tough. I hate it.
Don't want anyone else. We put in our word.
Okay. So you do the check. So either take a point inside or outside the parabola. Do not take a point on the line. Okay? It won't work. But you know what's nice? This point right here on the origin isn't on the line, so we can use it, right, Denise? That's the spirit. Just agree with your teacher.
Also, you just have to take a point to check. It's not like you're doing that sign check.
No, you don't have to do the
Oh,
sign
you
check.
can hear the throttle.
So, I'm going to put 0, 0 into here and see what happens. All right?
Wait, so how come the word isn't the word is limited to 2 lines?
It's not on the parabola.
Oh, not on like the parabola.
Yes. So, I'll quickly do the check. So 0 less than negative 2 times 0 minus 3 squared. Oh, wait, we already did 0. Oh. I'm going to work this out real quick in one step. I'm not going to show my work. Is that okay?
You should.
I just showed it literally up here, though.
Oh, so you got that?
Yeah, the zeros are the same. Is 0 less than negative 17? Is that true?
Yeah. No. No.
Good catch, Danita. False. Oh, that's a terrible F. Whoa. It was like a KO. False. So 0, 0 is not true. So we shade inside instead.
And then what happens is if you take a point that is inside the parabola?
Well, okay, let's take a point. So this is,
If that does work, then without.
if I picked a point in here, like let's say 3 and negative 3. If you put those in, it should be true. I'll just quickly do it over here in the green, okay? So that would be negative 3 would be less than negative 2. Okay? So this would be 0, 0. So this would be negative 3 is less than positive 1, right? Right, T? Yeah. We can agree on it this time? So because it's true, that's how you know it works. So it's in the solution.
Okay, but when it's true, you shade in or
If it's true, you would shade into it, yes.
you have to shade in?
We shaded in here, right? So, but this point is true, isn't it? It's in it, so we would shade in it, yes. If I had picked, let's say I picked 0, 0 Sierra and it was true, then I would have shaded out here instead. Okay?
So only when it's false.
No.
Depending on what point you pick.
If you pick 0, 0 and that's outside of your parabola and it's false, then you say it inside your parabola.
Yeah. Here, let's try another one here. Ooh, this is a good one. Okay, let's do this one. And I'll show you again with 0, 0. Next example. Y not equals, back it up just forever. Y is greater than or equal to x minus 4x. Okay. Now this one, a bit more of a pickle. This is in standard form. What's that, Sarah? Okay, so for this one, I'm going to factor. Okay. So So my 2x-intercepts would be at 5, -1. And where's my y-intercept?
This guy's.
I know you know. Someone else want to tell me? Very good. Y-intercept at -5.
Oh, this is standard formula.
Yeah, this is standard.
Okay.
So now,
I have to go back.
and the graph opens upwards or downwards? Up. Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Look at you guys. You guys have a solid understanding of this stuff.
I'm gonna ask a question.
That's all right. Questions are good. Because when people aren't asking anything and just staring at me blankly, that's when I know we're in trouble. Look at that. Boom. Don't forget my axes. Labeled all nicely. All right. Cool. Now, where do I shade? So,
Find a point and you do your check.
right. I don't use my x or y intercepts here, okay? Oh, and I drew it right, solid line, because it's less than or equal to. Whew.
You pick 0, 0 because it's not on.
Right, so Sierra, I will now pick 0, 0 again because it's not on the line. Okay, so I'll do my check. Is 0 less than or equal to 0 squared minus 4 times 0 minus 5? If I look now, is 0 greater than or equal to minus 5?
Yeah.
Shade
Yes.
Inside of the parabola.
So Sierra, because this is true, I shade the area that includes it, okay? Which is inside the parabola this time,
Oh, I see.
okay?
It looked good, and then he went like.
I kind of took it too
It's
far.
gonna stick to like.
I usually just draw a straight line, crisscross like applesauce, but I got carried away. Happens. Any questions?
Why did you do
What's that? I know I got carried away. I'm really regretting it now because I had to explain it like 3 times.
that? You don't want mine.
All right, I'll give you guys, that's all I have. I'll give you guys some to try. Yeah, this isn't earth-shattering stuff.
We covered this last.
Well, we didn't do this exact thing.
It's building upon things that we've done previously.
Oh, and we're going to do, yeah, it's all built off of everything. Pre-Calc 20 is really nice for that. It's all basically, you learn the quadratic stuff and then just build off of quadratics.
Yes, all of them.
And there's some triangles and reciprocals. But yeah, it's not.
Oh, we're gonna have to do like those really weird equations with like tons of stuff. Like simplify off here.
Yeah. Oh, like the substitution elimination stuff?
Yes.
Yeah, there's a little bit there.
Oh, I know.
I'm gonna still relearn that stuff.
And question 11 on page 497. Question 11, pretty cool one.